Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see some of the new plugins for Figma in 2021 June. Plugins are like magic, they can do amazing things with just a few clicks. Here are some new plugins for June 2021, make sure you try them all, and share your experience. So no further delay, let's get started. First plugin we are going to see is Downsize. Downsize is created by uiux. It can reduce the image size, which will help Figma load faster. Compress images right on the canvas, reduce file size and loading time. Increase performance. As it is written here, set compression level from 1 to 100%. Compress all images on a page. Compress images in selection. Convert PNGs to JPEG if they don't use the alpha channel. And uiux has explained how to use this plugin inside Figma. 1. Select any objects that contain images. 2. Run the plugin. 3. Set compression level, and specify whether PNGs should be converted to JPEGs. 4. Click the Compress button. If nothing is selected, Downsize will find and compress all images on a page. This is the first plugin that I liked most this year. So no further delay, move on to the next one. The second plugin is Above the Fold by Jim Raptise. It marks design with a layer that indicates where the above the fold portion ends. It means a visible part of the website in the browser. Above the fold is the portion of a web page that is visible in a browser window when the page first loads. Users engage more with the content above the fold than below the fold. Thus, key site functions and content related to business goals should appear at the top of the web page. How Above the Fold plugin works. Select one or more artboards. Run the plugin with your desired target device. Your results are ready. So this is all about this plugin, now move to the next. The third plugin we are going to see is Font Scale. Font Scale is a quick tool to generate a harmonious and consistent typography hierarchy. This is especially useful when you want to keep the proportions between your body text and headings the same, whether it's on screen or paper. The usage as explained by Kasmin Nagoida is 1. Select a base size. For desktop, for example, the usual practice is somewhere between 14px and 16px. 2. Select a scaling factor. Major third seems to create the best hierarchy for bigger screens. 3. Check the preview to see if you're happy with the result. You can see the pixel value of the size, as well as the M value relative to the base size, useful for all you devs out there. 4. Hit Generate Layers, to get text layers with the sizes applied so you don't have to do it manually. Try this plugin, and give your experience via comments. Let's move on to the next plugin. The fourth plugin we are going to see is Sorter by Tom Lowry. A plugin for sorting, reordering layers. It quickly sort layers by name, position, reverse order or random. How it works. Sorter will take your selection and sort the layers using the ordering of your choice, relative to each item's parent. This means you can have a mixed selection of top-level frames and child elements, and the plugin will always sort them without throwing errors. If you only want to sort children of your selection, enable the Sort Children Only option. Sorter will remember your selection for the next time you run the plugin in that file. So don't waste your time, let's go and try it out. Feel free to put your feedbacks via comments. The fifth plugin we are going to see is Super Tidy by Ismael Gonzalez. Keep your design tidy by easily aligning, renaming, and reordering your frames based on their canvas position. Super Tidy aligns your frames to a given spacing grid of your choice. Additionally, renames your frames and reorders them in the layers list by their position in the canvas. Really a very useful plugin for all those who struggle to arrange their canvases. Okay, let's move on to the sixth plugin, Select Similar by Andrislav Kozlov. Yes, the name says it all. Selects canvas nodes by common features, such as relative layer position, layer type, font name, fill, stroke, size, locked, visible, text content, missing fonts, multiple fonts. Let's see the order of actions. Select the comparison parameters. Select the sample layer, multiple layers are possible. Select the groups, frames to search in. If you don't select it, the search will be global. Select. Yes, it's done. Okay, now let's move on to the last Figma plugin which I like the most in 2021 June. Figma Chat by Phil and Carl Hauser. This plugin helps you to interact inside your Figma files with other people. It's a simple chat with the ability to send text and the current selections of frames or other elements. Just select the elements you want to send to other people and tick the checkbox. How to use the chat? Open the Figma Chat plugin inside your file. The plugin generates a random room name and a secret key. These two strings are available to all editors inside the file. Room name. This string is used to let the server know where to send the messages to. Secret key. This string is used to end and decrypt all messages. At the top of the plugin, you can enter the user list, minimize the chat and access the settings page and set a username, an avatar emoji, the color, and if you want a custom server. An important function is to send your current selection. You can easily do this by selecting one or more elements and clicking the checkbox that appears next to the chat bar. Okay, that's it for today. Try all these plugins and leave your comments below. And if you guys need a detailed explanation of how these plugins are used inside Figma, please comment. See you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.